Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy Bitcoin Cash on PayPal. We will also put links in the description below for similar apps like PayPal, which you could use to send money to friends and family. To start, open the website paypal.com, then click on Login. Next, you will be asked to log in with a one-time code. To continue, click on Get a Code. However, if you want to log in with your password, click on Try Another Way. In this video, we chose to log in with a one-time code. To continue, enter the code on the fields provided. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Crypto. On this page, scroll down a little. There you will see an option that says Bitcoin Cash. Click on Bitcoin Cash. From the options provided, select the amount of Bitcoin Cash you wish to buy. After that, choose a payment method. Click on the payment method you wish to use. Then click on Next. Lastly, review the order summary. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Buy Now. That's how you buy Bitcoin Cash on PayPal. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.